A human sneeze rockets through the air at a staggering speed of over 100 miles per hour, outpacing even the world's fastest land animal, the cheetah. Imagine thousands of tiny droplets launching into the air, each one a potential vector for germs and viruses. This explosive burst of air and particles turns an ordinary sneeze into a force of nature, capable of spreading illnesses across a room in mere seconds. The sheer velocity of a sneeze makes it a formidable player in the transmission of diseases, showcasing just how powerful and far-reaching such a simple bodily function can be. Whether it's cold season or allergy time, the next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember that the sneeze you're about to unleash is not just a reflex but a high-speed event with the potential to impact those around you. In a world where speed matters, even the fastest animals can't compete with the rapid-fire release of a sneeze, reminding us to cover up and stay conscious of our health and